$1,000 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing using Facebook ads. Now in this video, I'm going to show you no bluff way, okay? None of the gurus out there you have ever listened on YouTube share this secret, which is basically not secret, but it's secret maybe for you because you never heard of it, okay? And also for me, because before 2-3 years ago, I never heard about this, but now I understand how affiliate marketing works, how advertising online works, and you can easily make $500 to $2,000 daily commissions if you know what you're doing. And of course, you have someone who will help you along the way, step by step. Okay, so let's go straight into it. Let's say that you're in the weight loss niche. Have you ever thought about this? What is the core emotional state of weight loss? Let's say female, right? Because remember this, none of the gurus share this secret, which is selling to males and females is totally different space, different language, different copy, different targeting, different everything, right? But as you can see, if you bought any courses before on ClickBank from these gurus online teaching you affiliate marketing, you paid $3,000, $10,000, whatever for coaching, but they never told you this. Everyone is copying them each other, right? They're doing copy and paste stuff. So you have 1,000 people who join the course, everyone doing the same thing. Of course it doesn't work. Of course you're gonna get shut down on Google or Facebook or YouTube, right? Now, if each audience is specific, you have to understand the core emotions of the market. For weight loss, let me ask you this, has ever told you what is the core emotion of weight loss market for females? What is it? Is greed? What is it? It's a shame. It's shame. So if you know that the core emotion is shame, we will colorate, we will make our ad copy, right? Our copywriting exactly matching this core emotion of the market, which is shame, right? Why do female want to lose over 35 years old want to get on diet or keto diet? Why they're buying supplements and going to the gym? Why? Because they feel shame at a core level. Of course, they want to avoid cancer, diabetes, or whatever, those diseases, but at the core emotional state, it's a shame. And if you know that, you can use your hook, headlines, your ad copy, your landing page. You can make everything connect. So you have what? You have message to the market match. You see, you need a message to connect with your market at the same level they are at right now. Not in the future, but now. Now they are fat, they are overweight. So you have to meet them where they are at with your message to the market match. Okay, you see, that's the secret. That's a big aha moment if you grasp. Write it down. Okay? Some people will charge you $2,000 to tell you these secrets. I'm giving you it for free right now. Use it or don't use it, up to you. Okay? But affiliate marketing at the core is not about IT, it's not about the software. Most of the gurus are selling you software because they know they're gonna make a lot more money from that, selling you the software. Okay? Affiliate marketing really, really works well. If you understand, there are people, there are human beings. Again, AI can help you. Chat can help you. But if you want to do work for you, okay? You need to have someone who help you one-on-one, step by step, build friendship, relationship with you for long term, right? Personally, I look 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I paid $10,000. Why? Because I know, okay, that coach or mentor can help me succeed. Yeah, I will take a loan, I will take credit card and pay. I didn't talk it's a scam. Because I know in every business you have to invest time or money, right? You have to understand simply it works like that. If someone tells you don't have to invest any money, it's a scam, right? You have to invest if you want to get results, all right? Every business is the same. But what I realize is this: if I have a mentor or a coach who will help me along the way, step by step, I can fast forward myself 10 years from now. If you're 20 years old, if you're 50 or 60 or 50, 30 years old watching this video right now, having a coach or a mentor will send you above and beyond 10 years, 5 years in front of everybody else who is trying, watching on YouTube videos, trying every free ways to make it happen. It doesn't work. No one gonna give it for free, right? You go to a lawyer, you go to a doctor, no one gonna give it the surgery for free, right? And it's normal. And now if you're watching this video, you wanna get results with Facebook ads. Facebook is a social media platform, my friend. It's social. Okay, keyword, write it down, social. So your ad copy cannot be same like on Google Ads. Why? Because Google Ads, people go on Google to buy or get educated information before they buy, right? Its intent, buyer's intent is different and on social media, right? When I wake up in the morning, I don't take my phone and want to buy something from my Facebook. Of course not, right? Why you go on Facebook Messenger? To check your friends and family messages, right? Or some news, whatever, for fun, right? You're not expecting to get sold on Facebook. That's why your messaging has to be different on Facebook ads. And again, do you know that Facebook algorithm checks and scans your images? Yeah, and copy. So remember, image creators are very, very important, right? We have low and high emotional states of market, and your copy has to be different for each of those markets if you want to get sales. Look, 5 to 10 sales a day, it's easy peasy. I know you may be thinking, this guy is crazy, Tim is crazy. No, 10 sales a day, maybe you don't know, but once you grasp this, and once you see, heck, I make 3 sales with him, we make 5 sales a day, heck, we make $400 profit in a day, then you will see, right, it works. And then you will say the same thing like me. Gee, why haven't I paid someone to help me with this before? Why have I wasted hours and hours, days, years, months, doing something that doesn't work? Wasting time and money on something that doesn't work, right? If you have tried coaches before, maybe you tried Amazon affiliate, maybe you tried, I don't know, Singularity, whatever courses about YouTube ads on ClickBank, and it didn't work out. Of course cannot work out. Why? Because there are thousands of people doing the same shit, copying and pasting each other, expecting different results. That's insanity, right? Jim Rohn would say, or someone else, this is insanity. Now, if you wanna get results, I know you're smart because you're watching this video and it's not your fault. All you have to do is having someone who will say, let's be friends, let's build a relationship for long term, let's make this happen, let's jump on a Zoom call, weekly, daily, whatever, let's make this happen. But you have to be serious. You need to have at least $1,000 to $10,000. $1,000 to or even $5,000 would work the best if you can get access to that kind of money. Why? Because look, you can fast forward yourself 5 or 10 years in the future above everyone else, and you can become someone who is respected for the skills that you acquired, for the money you made, for lifestyle you made for your family and friends. Now, if you love your family, I'm sure you're gonna do this for themselves or even for you, right? So again, thank you for watching. If you wanna get results, let me know. Yeah, you have my phone number, my personal phone number, my WhatsApp. I know most of gurus will never call you on the phone, will never chat you on the social media. I do. Why? Because I believe in personal friendships and personal relationships. Again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment if you have any questions, but only if you're serious. Do not reach out to me if you don't have any money. It won't work. I'm honest to you, okay? It won't work. I'm trying to be honest to you right now. If you reach out to me and say, I'm not having any money, I have only $100, do not reach out to me. Why? Because I want to help someone who is serious and whom I can help. If I cannot help you, I will tell you honestly in the face. I cannot help you. Maybe I will send you into another direction where someone else can. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and all the links for my social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching.